Hey guys, welcome back to another programming blog with the AI project that I'm working on and giving you guys a little update since it's been a while since I have an update on this. I haven't posted a video on this, So yeah, I have, let me just play it for now. So this is, like always, doesn't look any different than last time that you saw it, but I have made updates to it. It still has the 6 states, where it's doing all the stuff that it needs. I did update the fleet state so that see, so that if it once it reaches the fleet state, it does pathfinding to its safe zone. So while it's doing the pathfinding, there's certain times where it pauses for a while because it's searching for the path. So while it's searching for a path, I still have it so that I still keep shooting the character. Before it wasn't doing that. In the last video, I believe it will just pause there for a second and then it would just leave. But now it can actually start shooting the character. So that's another thing that I updated. The only problem with this is that there's a bug. You see that? As you saw, this guy was flicking back and forth. That's a little bug that I have. I want to make it so that as it's fleeing away, it can also start shooting other characters as it's fleeing. But there's a bug in there that I'm trying to figure out what's going on. There's another bug where sometimes they end up going through walls, which I haven't figured out the reason why it's doing it. It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen. And it's gonna be a little bit hard to figure out why it's happening because it doesn't happen all the time. So I don't know. I'll figure it out eventually. What other updates have I done here? I have it so that I'm not sure if I had it before. Yeah, I already have respawn already. Never mind. I'm looking at my board real quick. Did I have recast before? I believe I did. Okay, so the other thing is that now I had the camera following the character. I know it kind of showed in the last video, but it was kind of buggy. So now I can go through here and have the character go through the state for each character. So now you have the stats for that certain character and the name of the character. I don't have any like unique names for each one of them. So I don't have character 1 through 6. Maybe you guys have something cool. Maybe you want to have a name on it that you guys want to input here. Maybe some unique. And I'll end up putting it in here for you guys. But just let me know and put in the comments or something. I don't know. And it shows the health, the state that's in. This guy's patrolling, the number of kills it has overall, and the kill streak. I didn't have any other names for it, but basically kill streak means how many kills the highest kills it's gotten before he dies. I couldn't figure out a good name for it, but kill streaks seem kind of reasonable. So this guy only got in 1 kill. So basically the highest kills it gotten before he dies, and the deaths. So this guy has died 13 times already, which is crazy. Another thing I haven't mentioned, I have this game running for more than an hour, I believe. So I wasn't counting, so I apologize. But yeah. So it has stats that I have. Not sure what other stats I should add. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you guys have any other ideas or what other stats I should add into this. But yeah. So I could go to each character. Character 2. Character 2 has 1 kill. Kill streak 2 has died 8 times. It's patrol state. Character 3 has no kills but has died 6 times. And it's in the fleet state, so it's going back to its starting position. Character 3 is fleet. Oh, no, it's the same one. Character 4 is patrol. Has gotten 2 kills in 11 deaths. This guy's attacking. They're all attacking. Attack this guy. No! You see that he's flicking back and forth. Just following him. I lost him. But yeah. So character 6, I think I was on 5 already. This guy's in fleet. Character 6 is this. I can go to the blue team as well. One thing I want to let you guys know. I'll say afterwards. This character 1, of course, health is 100. Patrol Stray has gotten 3 kills, has died twice. guy's in idle state. Has 11 kills. Highest kill streak is 8. And has died 2 times. This guy has not died at all. Character 3. Man, this guy's owning. This guy has died. Guy's got 9 kills. 4 highest kill streaks 4. And his 2 deaths. Died twice. He actually has gotten a kill right now, right? Oh, 17. Oh man, this guy's MVP in this game right now. That's crazy. One thing I want to let you know that I was going to mention earlier is that I don't know why, but every time I run this game, the blue team is always winning. I don't know why the red team sucks so much. Every time I've run this game, I run it so many times, and the blue team is always favored. I don't know why this favors the blue team all the time. It's kind of crazy why the blue team is always winning. I don't understand why. both teams are doing the same exact thing, but every single time there's not a time where the red team was winning at all, which is crazy. But yeah, that's basically all I have. It's not too much going on, but it's there. I'm not sure what the stats I should add. There's still some tweaking I gotta do in this thing, and I mean, all of this looks like this because of alpha blending, and I believe the lines, the bounty box, it shows on the other sides because this is what am I doing? I believe there's no C writing on it, no depth testing on those, or I don't know. I forgot what I was doing, but it looks pretty cool this way. I probably should remove it though, so that way it looks a little bit more realistic, I guess, even though it's in the box world or whatever. But yeah. So the next steps that I want to do is fix those bugs. You know, sometimes they go through walls. It doesn't happen all the time, but I just want to go through this guy attacking. Oh, this guy. It's gonna win. No. Oh. This guy ended up going to Fleet State. Anyway, I fixed that bug. Sometimes they end up going through walls. And shooting while fleeing. Sometimes it goes back and forth. It flickers back and forth. So another thing that other things that I want to work on this game is to detect if a nearby ally, let's say a character is attacking, you know, like here is attacking, and there's a red ally nearby. It should be like, hey, you know, come over, help me out. You know, it's just around the enemy, attack them as well. That's what I wanted to do. Somebody mentioned that in my last video, so I was like, oh, that's a pretty good idea. Also, if it's maybe not just for attacking, but also if it's losing or fleeing, be like, hey, I'm dying here, help me out, or something, you know. So I guess that works too. Also, when it comes to fleeing state, you know, as it's fleeing away and it finds another another enemy along the way, keep shooting it as he's fleeing away. That's another thing I want to work on. So it's making this more polished, more realistic, and yeah. And there's some other idea. I mean, someone also mentioned adding particles in here, or maybe when it dies, shoot some stuff or something, some particle effects in here. So that's another thing I want to do, and also visually show the safe zones, because I do not show it here. I know I mentioned that in my last video that I was going to do that, but I haven't. So maybe visually show it here. I know safe zone for red guys are here, and the blue zone is down here. So hopefully in the next video, well, maybe in the not maybe, but in the next video, I will have that and particle effects. Another thing I want to do is maybe add another objective. You know, I want to add another objective here, either maybe weapon pickups, and if I end up doing this road, then that means I will have to have like a weapon factory and have different types of weapons in this game, and maybe depending on the weapon, if it's range or short range, it will switch between those depending how far away is between that enemy. So yeah, or maybe if I'm gonna do this weapon pickups kind of stuff, or just have characters have different weapons, and maybe each character will be differently than others, where one character will be short range, one character will be long range, one character will be medium range. I don't know yet. That's if I go to the weapon pickups kind of road. Another thing I could do is doing coins. Maybe not coins, but I don't know, something. I want to add more objectives to this stuff, so I'm not just shooting all the time. And another thing I was thinking of Halo, you know, the bomb, when you plant the bomb to their base. So maybe I was thinking planting the bomb in their safe zone, and that would be the objective for that. You know, that would be pretty cool, I believe. One of these guys will be holding the bomb, it will go to the safe zone. That means I'm gonna have to make the AI a little bit better. It will follow this character as it's going through all the defenses, all these guys, and fleeing. Let's see what else. Yeah, so basically it's making this game a little bit more fun to look at. And yeah, if you guys have any other ideas, that'll be also awesome. If there's anything I have not mentioned, and just let me know, put in the comments, I'll suggest it, and I'll reconsider it, or consider it, putting it in. So yeah, so let me know. It's not a long video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I had so far. And maybe you guys also have character names for these guys, because it's kind of boring just having character 1 through 6 for each one of them. So yeah, just let me know. Put in the comments if you want to have a character name for these guys for yourselves. And yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later. And the next video will be hopefully a lot better than this one. So I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you like this video, thumbs up. And he's in the safe zone. I was like, what is he gaining that health? Anyway, yeah, if you like this video, thumbs up, and share it to other people for them to see as well, for them to maybe give me more ideas as well. So anyway, see you guys later. Signing out.